In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your online status on WhatsApp. So even if you're online, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status so people won't know that you're online even if you're online. So that said, let's continue with the video. So for the first step is that you want to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, click on these three dots right over here and click on the settings option. Then click on the privacy option and click on the last seen and online option. And here you can hide who can see your last seen and your online status. So if you don't want anybody to see that you're online, even if you're online, you can click on the nobody option. But if you want everybody to see that you're online, you can click on the everyone option. But if you want certain contacts to see that you're online and other contacts not to see that you're online, you can easily select the my contacts except, and it's going to give you some options on the contacts that you might block so that they cannot see that you're online. So in this case, I'm going to select the nobody, so all my contacts cannot see that I am online. So that's how you can easily hide your online status on WhatsApp. So with that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.